Yes, get ready for the legal dictation containing 480 words at the speed of 80 words per minute. 3 seconds. Start. Mr. Trivedi, however, asserted that the ministry has retained its freight earning targets in view of freight rationalization implemented by the railways a week ago. The railways passenger earning targets have also been trimmed down by rupees 1656 crore to rupees 28,800 crore. Railway Recruitment Board is an organization that recruits employees for the Indian Railway. There are a variety of jobs available and the recruitment process is quite rigorous. If you are interested in working for the railway, then you will need to know all about Railway Recruitment Board. In this lesson, we will discuss the history of the Railway Recruitment Board, the roles and responsibilities of RRB, and how to apply for a job with RRB. Railway Recruitment Board is one of the most important organizations in India. It came into existence in 1945. RRB also provides training to new recruits. Railroad Recruitment Control Board is an administration association in India. It was set up in 1998 in the Ministry of Railways, Railway Board, New Delhi. RRB NTPC 2020 exam and admit card release date after May 2020. Railway Recruitment Board will direct the online test for the enlistment of posts under RRB and TPC non technical popular categories like clerk cum typist, accounts clerk cum typist, timekeeper, trains clerk, commercial cum ticket clerk, traffic assistant, goods guard, commercial apprentice, station master, and so forth. For the simplicity of the competitors, we are going to share all the significant data identified with RRB NTPC 2019-20 recruitment like vacancies, exam dates, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, syllabus, admit cards, and so forth. Railroad recruitment boards have declared RRB and TPC 2020 notice under Centralized Employment Notice number CEN 01/2019. The test is led to choose possibility for non-technical popular categories, graduate and undergraduate posts in different zonal railways and production units of Indian Railways. It is these posts of the RRB and TPC that keep the all-round oiled apparatus of the Indian Railways running. In this way, they assume a significant job in its everyday working. Right now, we'll take you through RRB and TPC exam 2019 notification, exam pattern, syllabus, exam dates, and parcels more. Rail transport, also known as train transport, is a means of transport that transfers passengers and goods on wheeled vehicles running on rails which are incorporated in tracks. In contrast to road transport, where the vehicles run on a prepared flat surface, rail vehicles rolling stock are directionally guided by the tracks on which they run. Tracks usually consist of steel rails. Rolling stock in a rail transport system generally encounters lower frictional resistance than rubber tired road vehicles, so passenger and freight cars, carriages, and wagons can be coupled into longer trains stop over.